do it again.
Close the door.
Oh, do it again. Pre-sex warm-up. Pre-sex warm-up. Pre-sex.
Raise your hand if you're on page 10 or page 13, 17. Because you're good like that.
Raise your hand if your cakes are going to be out tonight. Raise your hand if your cakes are going to be out tonight.
What happened? What happened? Oh, forgot my neck roll.
We forgot Bob.
Forgiving head.
Bob and apple.
Stop it.
Bro, let's focus in on what the hell is she eating. She's practicing sucking.
That's
Practicing
aphrodisiac.
sucking.
She's eating aphrodisiac.